I don't even need to detangle it. Like, I don't know what happened, but it detangled itself. Let's try this again. Hey guys, this is Dami and I'm back with another video. Honestly guys, I know what we're all here for. We're here for the review of our YouTube's very own Whitney White's hair care brand from her and her sister Melanin Hair Care. Shout out to her one time. I'm gonna do an unboxing, my honest thoughts, a review, live and direct. You guys are gonna see my actual very first thoughts. So without further ado, let's, oh, yeah, did you guys like and subscribe yet? Let's not forget, come on, I'm trying to grow here on YouTube. Welcome to the family. If you didn't see, I also now put on nursing content. Get at me. With that being said, now let's get right into the video. Okay, my package is here. I just opened it. First things first, just want to start off by saying hello, Duty. I don't know if you guys can see my address. Please don't look. But yes, I paid like $28 in duty taxes. I don't know if it's because of Mrs. COVID-19, but I've actually like never had to pay duty for my products. All right, guys. We're opening it. Nice. Ooh. Show you guys her info card. Yep, the different product. And of course, this shampoo is golden. Of course I got that. I just want to start off by saying that I could not get her oil. It was out of stock. So we moved, but I did get her other 3 products. Okay. Guys, these products take up the whole box. This is a big box. I've never in my life have I seen such big products. Whoa, guys. Whoa, I'm gonna use this for 2 years. Guys, this is really big. I don't think you guys, I know she said 16 ounces, but you know, I'm not American. I didn't really understand the ounces. This is a lot. Yeah, guys, this is actually really big. This is actually amazing. I am so excited. I want to get into this in real life and show you guys how it actually works on my hair. But just like a quick disclaimer, all the products, all the ingredients are on their website. You can literally click each ingredient and it says what its purpose is for, which I absolutely love, like love. You guys can tell by my hair growth oil video that like every ingredient, you should know what it's used for. Even when I explain conditioners and why they put certain things in conditioners, you need to know why, so that you know what your hair likes and what your hair doesn't like, and so you can stay away from that, or you can add that to your regimen, right? All right, guys, I'm about to go start this wash day. I've talked enough. Let's see this in the flesh. Whitney, I have high hopes. High hopes. I'm so excited. Let's do this. So first, I'm going to go in with the leave-in conditioner. She tells us that it can be used as a conditioner, a deep conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, a detangler, a pre-poo, and a daily rehydrator. So I'm going to use it first off as a pre-poo. She says if you're using it as a pre-poo, apply to wet or dry hair and work it through, removing shed hair and preparing your hair for the cleanse. So let's do that. It literally just melted into my hands. Okay, wow. My hair softened up immediately. Oh, wow. Okay. I don't even need to detangle it. Like, I don't know what happened, but it detangled itself. Let's try this again. Like, my hair is not detangled. There are tangles in here. I want to show you guys that there are tangles. So I spray my dry hair, I add the product, and the tangles are literally melting before my eyes. Can you guys see that? Do you see how those ends were all knotty before? They are literally detangled. Whoa. Not only is it detangled, but my hair is defined, it's soft, I'm able to run my fingers through my hair. When did we start doing that? What? Whitney, you didn't come to play. Wow, definition. Wow, honestly, combing is an option. I got so excited I even decided to go through my hair with a Denman brush. What? Guys, I rarely ever use that Denman brush. I'm so surprised it's even going through my hair right now. Whoa. This is about how much hair I lost during this whole process. So now I'm in the shower, just washing off that multi-purpose leave-in conditioner, which I use as a pre-poo and a detangler. Then I grab the Melanin's African Black Soap shampoo and I start applying it directly to my scalp. I absolutely love the fact that it has an applicator nozzle. I have never had shampoo with that type of nozzle before, and it is so effective. It went straight into my scalp and there was no worries. Here I'm just using the beds of my finger to clean my scalp, and my hair is thanking me. Easy access and detangled hair, love it. I even put more. I don't know why I did that, but I did that. I kind of wish I didn't because my hair ended up feeling a little bit more stripped on that side, but as you guys can see, it cleaned my hair really nice. So for my other sections, I'm not going to use as much shampoo. I don't know if it's mint, like there's something like pepperminty in it and it's like attacking me. Last section, let's go, come on. So I did my last section and then I took my hair out of its sections and I kind of just wet it all, just making sure that I got all of that shampoo out. And I kind of just wanted you guys to see my hair and how much it has grown, and as well as the quality and the curls that came out of these products. Like, whoa. So I'm back again with the multi-purpose leave-in conditioner by Melanin Hair Care. I'm applying it in the shower as she recommended in her video. She recommends that you put it on in the shower on damp hair, and so I'm doing that. I'm really rubbing it in. It kind of looks like it's just sitting on top of my hair, which it is. So I'm really just trying to work that into my hair, really just get my hair to absorb it. I wash my hair with warm water and there's a lot of steam in the shower, so my cuticles are open, so hopefully it just receives this product really nicely. I then detangle it. It's a little bit harder to detangle it now, but obviously sometimes shampoo does that. But either way, 1, 2, 3 passes and my hair is detangled with literally no shedding. So that's impressive. I seal in that leave-in conditioner with my oil mixture. Impressive. And then I just style it in a flat twist. I'm kind of going for a very like loose twist type of look, which I will then go into like stretched hair, and that stretched hair I will use for mini twists, hopefully. So that's my intentions of styling the hair right now. Honestly, it feels weird. Like, as you can see, it's just sitting. It's just sitting on top of my hair. It felt a lot better when I was using it as a pre-poo, but you can't knock it until it's dry, right? So I'm gonna use it as recommended. See how it dries. Yeah, I don't know why my hair is rejecting it like this. Like, it's clean. It was so happy to have it when it was dirty. Now that it's clean, it doesn't want to accept it. Like, whatever. Yeah, everything is literally so wet. I don't know. So you guys know it melted a lot. So that plus the water, like, I just don't know if there's even anything in my hair right now. Yeah guys, so it does not look like I'll be using the curl elongating styler today. Like, my hair has to dry, and that product is very thick. I took a look at it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let my hair dry over the next couple of days. I do have work, then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna take out these flat twists and see what's the quality of my hair looks like, because honestly, like, it doesn't feel like there's a lot of product still on it, but maybe there is. Maybe it's gonna be super soft, maybe it's just my oil. But regardless, we're gonna get into this together. We started together, we're gonna finish together. So yeah, I'll be right back. Hey guys, this video was getting a little bit long, so I decided to split it up into a part 1 and part 2. So come back next week Tuesday to see how this hair ended up. As you guys can see, it was not what I thought at all. With that being said, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week Tuesday for part 2 of this video.